Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free French ebook before it's gone.
Aimes-tu la cuisine française? Do you like French food? So if you are invited somewhere, usually people ask this question. Aimes-tu la cuisine française? Do you like French food? Oh, aimes-tu la cuisine française? Yeah, sure, I love it. So, do you like French food? C'est quand votre anniversaire? When is your birthday? Quand est ton anniversaire? If you want to be a bit casual. Ou quand est ton anniversaire? When is your birthday? Combien de temps as-tu appris le français? How long have you been studying French? Combien de temps as-tu appris le français? Or, pendant combien de temps as-tu appris le français? Usually we say pendant combien de temps. I'm sorry if I speak really fast, but French people usually speak really fast. For 3 months. Wow, you're good. Comment t'appelles-tu? What's your name? You will hear this one a lot. So, comment t'appelles-tu? Or more casually will be comment tu t'appelles? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Comment vas-tu? How are you? Hey, bonjour, comment vas-tu? Or you will often hear comment ça va? Hey, comment ça va? D'où venez-vous? Where are you from? D'où venez-vous? Where do you come from? And just answer where you come from. I'm from America. French people often make jokes about English-speaking people, so prove them wrong by answering in French, and you will impress them really much. That would be so great. So try it. Es-tu déjà allé en France? Have you been to France? Well, aller is go. So if you are already in France when answering this, it would be Es-tu déjà venu en France? Which is did you ever come to France? With a notion of did you ever come before or is it your first time? Maybe you will also hear this one. Is it your first time in France? Ou est-ce que c'est ta première fois en France? Premier, first. Premier, first. Je suis le premier. I'm the first. Be the first to comment. Soyez le premier à commenter. Comment right now, comment right now, comment right now. Bon, good, bon, good. This meal is so good. Ce plat est trop bon. Or, oh, that's good. Ah, c'est bon. Or it also means, yeah, it's okay. C'est bon. Quel, which. Quel, which. Which one is it? Lequel est-ce? Beau, beautiful.
I'm beautiful. Je suis belle. Oh.
Beau is masculine and belle is feminine. C'est trop beau. This is so beautiful. You can hear young people saying that a lot. Wow, c'est trop beau. Wow, it's so beautiful. Trouver, to find. I found something. J'ai trouvé quelque chose. It's a bottle of water again, because that's my only prop for today. Yeah, I found the solution. J'ai trouvé la solution. Did I find the solution? No, I didn't, because Meg messed it up. Red should go here and you have the cross. Then you do the next one. J'ai trouvé de quoi manger. I found something to eat. Finally, I won't be starving anymore. Donner, to give. To give money, donner de l'argent. Please give money to Leah. Donner un cadeau for someone's birthday. To give a present. Falloir, need to. It's more have to than need to. Ah, need to. I need to do my hair. Il faut que je me coupe les cheveux. Il faut que je pense à une phrase. I need to think of a sentence. Ah, this one it fits. Parler, to speak. You can speak a language. Parler une langue. Speak French. Parler français. My chair is squeaky. And my spoon is too big. Je te parle plus. I'm not speaking to you anymore. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Bonjour, enchanté. Je m'appelle Lia. And here you have 3 of today's words together. Isn't it nice? Bonjour, je m'appelle Lia. Enchanté. Comment ça va? Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Lia. How you doing? And you have all of them to greet people and start a nice conversation. So nice to meet you. Enchanté. À bientôt. See you soon. This is what I should say at the end of each video. See you soon or à bientôt. Use it when you leave. That's about it. À demain. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. À demain. Yeah. Au revoir, bye bye, or goodbye. Au revoir is kind of polite. You can use it with everyone as well. So if you want to be more friendly, we use like ciao. Au revoir is only for leaving. So yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye, watchers.
See you next time. À bientôt.
No, not yet, because I'm gonna see you guys a lot.
Bien sûr. Of course. Bien sûr que c'est le cas. If you want to be sarcastic, you can say oui, bien sûr. We mostly use it this way because we like being sarcastic. So yeah, of course. Yes, you are. Yes. At the end. So remember those main sentences and don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment if you ne comprends pas. Bye bye. Au revoir et à bientôt. Please stop it, I'm waving.